Hey there! Ever wondered what happens when Victorian elegance collides with futuristic fantasy? Welcome to the fascinating world of steampunk. It's a genre where elegance truly meets paradox. Steampunk first emerged back in the 1970s as a subgenre of science fiction literature. Picture this, an alternate reality where steam power, not electricity, reigns supreme. Here, plastic doesn't exist, and humanity took a turn into an unfamiliar era. Now imagine people dressed in whimsical attire, waistcoats with pocket watch chains dangling. This is what steampunk enthusiasts dream of. Now let's dive deeper into the origins of steampunk. Imagine history making a tiny detour, leading us to a modern world that feels as if it's straight out of the Victorian era. Picture automobiles and computers running on gears, cogs, and steam. The charm of steampunk lies in this anachronistic mix of the past and the future. Steampunk novels transport us to a different realm where Victorian fashion and technology still dominate. Think about characters dressed in late 19th century clothing but living in the present or even the future. These characters navigate a world powered by intricate machinery and steam engines instead of the sleek tech we know today. But there's more to steampunk than just literature. It's become a full-fledged subculture. From stunning fashion to intricate gadgets and art, steampunk has transcended its literary roots. Enthusiasts around the globe celebrate this unique blend of history and fantasy, bringing it to life in the most spectacular ways. So why does steampunk resonate with so many people? It's the allure of blending the old with the new, the elegance of the Victorian era with the boundless possibilities of futuristic technology. It's a celebration of creativity and imagination, a world where elegance meets paradox. Think you're ready to dive into the world of steampunk? Whether you're fascinated by its literature, fashion, or design, there's something for everyone in this extraordinary genre. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of steampunk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the fascinating realms of science fiction. Until next time, keep dreaming and stay curious.